If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error code 500, don't worry, this usually means the problem is on the server side and not something you caused. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it on your computer, and I'll also explain what to do if it's actually an X platform issue that just needs time to resolve. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, let's understand what error 500 means. A 500 internal server error is basically X saying, something went wrong on our side. That means the page, app, or request couldn't load properly. Sometimes it's temporary, and sometimes your browser, cache, or session data is getting in the way. So the best approach is to start with the simplest fixes first. The first thing you should do is a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This forces your browser to reload the page without relying on the stored version. If the issue was just a temporary glitch, this alone may fix it immediately. After that, try loading X again and see if the error is gone. Next, check your internet connection. Open a few other websites and make sure they load normally. If everything else is slow or not opening, the problem may be your network, not X. You can try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, restarting your router, or reconnecting to your network. A weak or unstable connection can make server errors seem worse than they really are. If the problem is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause login issues, loading problems, and error pages. Open your browser menu, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and cached images and files. Set the time range to all time, then clear the data. Once that's done, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try X again. Now, if you're already logged in and still getting error 500, try logging out and logging back in. Click your profile, choose Log Out, confirm the action, then sign back in with your account. This can refresh your session and fix temporary account-related glitches. After you sign back in, retry the same action that was giving you the error. If you're using the X app on mobile, you can also try the same basic fixes there. Close the app fully, reopen it, check your connection, and if needed, log out and back in. If the app still shows the error, updating the app from the App Store or Google Play can help, because older versions may have bugs or compatibility issues. If you're a developer using the X API and you're seeing a 500 error in a request, the issue may be on the endpoint or server side of the platform. In that case, double-check your request format, headers, authentication, and any recent changes to your app. But if the API itself is returning a 500, that usually means the service is temporarily failing and you may need to retry later. And that's an important point. Sometimes the only fix is to wait. If X is experiencing a broader outage or server instability, none of the local fixes will work until the platform recovers. In that case, give it some time and try again later. You can also check whether other users are reporting the same problem. So to recap, your best steps are hard refresh the page, check your internet, clear caches and cookies, log out and back in, update the app if you're on mobile, and wait if the issue is on X's side. These steps solve most error 500 problems quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you fix the x.com or Twitter error code 500, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.